was born in sin and raised in flame. And Anne Bonny was her name. Ireland's child with a fiery heart. She chose the cutlass a world apart. She's the flame-haired terror of the sea, a storm unchained, wild and free. Cannons roar where a shadow falls, the red-haired ghost that the ocean calls.